got 24 countries in total come across, and it's about 79 or 80 riders internationally that have come across to compete against our Australian boys, which is good. MX125s, MX85s and MX65s are the three classes. You've got the MX65 class. It starts with the age riders over the age of 10, then the 85 class is got to be 12 and you're not allowed to turn 15 this year, and then in the top age groups you're allowed to be 13 but not allowed to turn 18 this year at all. You don't get that opportunity very often. Most times you might see 2 or 3 Australian riders in each class going overseas and racing at this World Junior level. So we've given, 7 riders in each class, and then we've had the luxury of being the host country to any wildcard vacancies, so we've been able to sneak extra riders in also. So we've given 21 riders from Australia the opportunity to race in it. It's also been extras, so we're the shortfalling riders, but it may not happen again in Australia, so hopefully the kids get the opportunity to have done really well for themselves, their family, their sponsors, and the country at the same time. The weather's on our side. That was a big fear factor we've got no control over. I think everything else we have got control over will go well. I think the racing's just going to be something that will be spectacular for everybody to witness, seeing our top Australian riders racing the best everywhere else. We've seen a lot of past members coming back and helping out, and it's given us the opportunity to get the things over the line that we needed to do today. It's been amazing the support we've had from our club. This event's going to showcase Australia all over the world, and I don't think people realise how big of an event this is in their own backyard. So please, all goes really good and we get it over the line.